Hello everyone, this is Jay, and in today's video I wanted to do a quick review on Vanguard's high dividend yield ETF VYM. VYM right now is very close to that 52-week low, and as you guys can see here in my pie chart, it is my 7th largest position with a market value of $394.35 in my portfolio, and it is 4.9% of my portfolio right now. All right, but before we go into their website, please don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe so you can join me in this journey. I really appreciate everyone's support and everyone that put their opinion and shared their experiences in the comment section. I really appreciate everyone. All right, so let's go into the Vanguard website right here. So VYM, Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. So as you guys can see here, the expense ratio, it is the same as SCHD, which we reviewed yesterday. And this one is 0.06%, which is for every $10,000 that you have invested into this ETF, you only pay $6 a year. Which to me, it is definitely very good, a very good price right now. All right, let's go into the overview tab, and right here we take a look at the product summary. Seeks to track the performance of the FTSE High Dividend Yield Index, which measures the investment return of common stocks of companies characterized by high dividend yields. Provides a convenient way to track the performance of stocks that are forecasted to have above average dividend yields. And then the third one is that it follows a passively managed full replication approach. So as you guys know, this is Vanguard Equity Index Group. That's the fund management for it. And the inception date of this ETF was in November 10, 2006. Now, if we go into the portfolio that they have, and this is something that everyone definitely likes, it is the number of holdings that they have under management, which is 453 stocks. That's how much they own right now, or they hold, and everything is on value. As you guys can see here, that's their investment style. The market cap right now for this ETF is $123.8 billion. This one is definitely huge right here. That PE ratio is a 14.8, which is still not bad at all. And if we go into the sectors right here, this is their holdings right now. And basic materials is 2.3%, consumer discretionary 9% of the portfolio, consumer staples 12%, energy 11%, financials 19%, healthcare 12%, industrials 12%, technology 7%, telecommunications 5%, and utilities 7%. And also, as you guys can see here, same as SCHD, they don't hold any real estate, which is also good for tax purposes when you receive those dividends. And here it is, their top 10 holdings, which is ExxonMobil, that's their top holding right now. JP Morgan Chase, both of those have over 3% of the fund and holding. J&J, Johnson & Johnson, which is one of my favorite stocks right now. PG, Procter & Gamble, is also one of my holdings and is their holding also. It is in their top 10. AVGO, Broadcom, HD, Home Depot, CVX, Chevron, ABBV, AbbVie, and the last two are MRK, Merck, and the last one is PEP in PepsiCo. So all of these funds have at least 1.79% or over in their holdings right now. So let's go into Seeking Alpha, which is the website that I use to research stocks. But of course, I am not affiliated with them. Okay, I just use them to research stocks. And as you guys can see here, today it closed at $99.81. So it was up 1% for the day today, looks like. But year to date, they are down 7.6%. This is definitely at a very good price. I like it every time it goes under $100. It is really, really good. And as you guys can see here in the 52-week range, the 52-week low is $98.40. So it's pretty much a little over a dollar under. Well, right now it is a little over a dollar of the 52-week low. So it's definitely very, very close to that 52-week low. That dividend yield right now is 3.40%. So if you pick it up right now, you get a 3.40%, which is awesome in my opinion. You will get $3.35 a year per share. And as you guys can see here, it is a $99.81. So let's take a look. Let's expand this to see when was the last time that it was around that price. So if we take a look at this chart right here, it was at 102, 101. And then right here, it looks like right here on October 19, 2022. So right now, it is at a price that it hasn't been at since October of 2022. I do believe, in my opinion, that this ETF, it is a must buy right now. Of course, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your research. But this one is definitely at a great price right now. And I definitely want to capitalize on this one. All right, so if we continue to go down right here, the analysts say that this is a hold right now. I have to disagree with that. I think that this is a buy right now, especially at this price. Of course, not financial advice, guys. So the price return right now for this ETF in the last 3 years, if you held it in the last 3 years, you would have gotten a 21% price return. In the last 5 years, 21%, and so you kind of stay flat. But in the last 10 years, you would have gotten at 64% just in price return right now. But total return, which means with dividends, right, in dividends reinvested in the last 3 years, 33%. If you held that in the last 5 years, 42%, and in the last 10 years, 124%. So it definitely doesn't have the same returns as SCHD. It's much lower, but it is still a very good and diversified ETF. They have over 400 holdings, which is awesome. You guys can see the holdings breakdown, which we just went through. Their top 10 holdings are also right here, which we also went through in their website. And their dividend yield, of course, 3.40%. That 5-year growth CAGR is only at 5.60%, which also underperforms SCHD, but this is still a great ETF in my opinion. Years of growth, 12 years. They have grown their dividend, which is great. And this is my favorite chart right here, which is that dividend growth history year to year. And this is how much they have paid per share in a whole year. So in 2018, they were paying $2.65 a share per year. 2019, $2.84. 2020, $2.91. 2021, $3.10, which they broke the $3 mark in 2021. And then right now in 2022, they did $3.25 a share per year. And it looks like this year they're on track for $3.35 as of right now, a share per year. All right, so let's go ahead and go into my portfolio to take a look at my position right here. And as you guys can see here on number 8, I'll highlight it right now, and I am down only 4%. My cost per share, it is at $104.20. And today, as I've said before, it closed at $99.81. I have almost 4 shares. I have 3.951 shares, which is great in my opinion. And I really want to put some more money. I'm not sure if I can this week, but I'm really trying to check my budget and see what I can do to be able to capitalize on that one on VYM. I also like SCHD. They went back to the $67 price before they closed on Friday at $66. But definitely VYM, it is on my radar to continue to add some more shares. And as you guys can see here, highlighted. Right now, my yield on cost, it is 3%, 3.01% is around there. Their last dividend was 78 cents per share. And in the next dividend, if they pay the same amount as they did the last time, the next dividend, which it should be in December if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is in December. I should get around $3.10, and my estimated dividend yield for my whole position, it is around $12, almost $13 for that position. This is definitely an ETF that I want to continue growing, and I definitely want to make it one of my core holdings, and I want to put it like right here in the second spot next to SCHD. So hopefully I can capitalize on this pretty soon, and I can definitely add some more shares. I'm really aiming at that right now. All right, so let me know in the comment section, do you own VYM? Is this one that you're really looking into? I would definitely encourage you to do your research, take a look at it. The market right now has been going crazy, and it has been crashing a little bit. So some people say that it's going into correction right now. The market is correcting itself. So and then I think the Fed is meeting again to make a decision on the interest rates this week. So that will also maybe make an impact on some of these ETFs. Maybe they'll go down even lower than their 52-week low. You just never know. I definitely don't want to time the market. I'm a DCA investor. Every Friday, I deposit some money and I distribute that in through my holdings. And I definitely like that strategy a lot. So I don't want to time it. I don't want to wait until it goes down lower. If it does, because you never know. It might go down. It might not go down. It might just skyrocket. You just never know. Market is very unpredictable. And of course, none of this is financial advice, guys. Always do your research. Please don't forget to hit that like button. I really appreciate everyone's support. The videos have been doing so great as of lately. And I really appreciate everyone. All right, so please let me know in the comment section if you hold this ETF, if it's one of your favorites. It's definitely one of my favorites right now, especially at this price. And I'm definitely aiming at buying some more this week. All right, everyone, so I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Thank you. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.